name is Santosh Nair, Tiger Santosh Nair. For 20 long years, I've been studying the minds of entrepreneurs. I've been studying the struggles of entrepreneurs. I've been studying the pain, and I've been looking at the entrepreneurs very closely. I have worked with 20 lakhs of them and personally engaged with about 15,000 of them. I have come to believe that entrepreneurship can be on one side tremendous pleasure, and the other side it could be a pain and suffering. Many 95 to 97% of entrepreneurs are suffering the pain of being an entrepreneur, and there are very few people out of 100, 2 to 3, who either by sheer coincidence, wisdom, or by intense education from the outside world, from companies like ours called Smart Training and Consultancy, have enlightened themselves to understand as to why they are experiencing the pain and the suffering of being an entrepreneur. So in order to remove the suffering and make your life stress-free, make you have all the time in the world, make you build your relationships in a beautiful manner, get you out of the fears, help you to remain in a stage of constant growth, and help you to fly high, fly light, and leave the excess baggage away, help you to form the right kind of habits, build in you the right philosophies and vision for your organization, help you to understand what strategies are all about and when you should make it and with whom you should make it and how you should make it, in order that your company remains insulated and isolated and shock proof and future proof, and it should not be exposed to any kind of jhatka or pressures. How do you build an organization like that? And how do you build an organization where you only do the unpredictable and the entire organization does the predictable? The simple reason why you should do the unpredictable is because then you will remain romantically alive as an entrepreneur. We therefore looked at all these things and the sufferings of entrepreneurs, whether it was in sales or whether it was in marketing, whether it was in people management, whether it was performance, whether it was transforming the organization, changing the organization, whether it was leading a group of people or managing, or understanding what an entrepreneur should do or what an entrepreneur should not do. We package this whole program and we call it the Mastery in Entrepreneur Excellence. It's a journey, and I say come with me for an 18-month period to this particular journey. This journey is divided into 3 parts of 6 months. The first journey is where we will help you to build an autopilot organization, an organization which runs on its own, which means from self to team. How do you build this organization? The next semester, which is another 6 months, is an auto exponential organization. That means from team to super exponential growth, which is 11 times growth. How do you do that? The third semester of 6 months is known as an auto transforming organization, where from an auto exponential organization you move towards being a transforming organization in a manner that you are a game changer. Now, who is a game changer? A game changer is the person whom the entire industry looks up to. When you become a game changer, your competitors are your students, your competitors are your customers, your competitors are your well-wishers, your competitors want to be like you, your competitors want to be associated with you. They are your promoters, they are your well-wishers, and they are gun-gunning you, they are always singing your praise 24 hours. In order to build this organization, which is an autopilot first, auto exponential second, and auto transforming organization, there are this 6 months. In this 6 months, you will meet me on the online for about twice in a month, which means in 6 months you will meet me with a group of people. You will meet me for about 12 times. In between these 15, so every 15th day I am meeting you for 6 months. In between these 15 days, my reviewers will be calling you to find out whether you've implemented everything in a proper manner and what are your challenges or what are your difficulties or what are your frustrations or whatever. And they will help you in the implementation. In this month, we will also organize for a single buddy meeting of all the participants where the reviewer will lead the buddy and these buddies will question each other. It's like a board, it's like an inner circle board, like you're questioning each other. So one is I'm questioning you, second is the reviewer questioning you, third is your buddies questioning you. And in 6 months, you will be in a position to know that you have to move in that direction and you will have to let go of your past and you will have to fly high, fly light, and you will have to drop the excess baggage. So first 6 months is about dropping the baggage. And in order to drop the baggage, you need to have a vision. So the first 6 months is about vision building and dropping the excess baggage and the strategy about the future. The next 6 months will be about now that we have become an independent organization which runs on its own. Now it has to grow on its own. So there are growth ingredients that we need to put in place. Now things that has to be done. What are the seeds that you have to sow for growing? You need to have great transformation and transformation management systems. You need to have some great sales and sales management systems. You need to have profit and profitability management systems. In fact, I would say that you have to move from profit, extreme great amount of profit, to extreme cash flow situation, beautiful cash flow situation, lot of tons of money, and because of which you will be in a position to create value. And then comes a situation called valuation. So we're going to talk about profit, we're going to talk about cash flow, value and valuation. And it's a very beautiful financial journey, a financial literacy financial literacy freedom moment for you. From there you have to learn about strategy and strategy management, people and people management, performance and performance management, marketing and marketing management, brand and brand management, leadership and leadership development. So that's the second part, the second semester. The third semester is becoming an auto-transforming organization, which means it has the ability to sense. The organization, not you, the entrepreneur, but the organization has sensing abilities, smelling abilities. It senses the environment and it transforms itself into a new. So at periodic intervals, this organization, from being a caterpillar to a butterfly, again from a caterpillar to a butterfly, to a butterfly to a better butterfly, this is how the whole journey is. So an 18-month journey, but you can start with the first 6 months. And the first 6-month journey is called the Mastery in Entrepreneur Excellence. On the dates that are given below and the timing that has been given below, you will be exposed to this wonderful program which is known as Mastery in Entrepreneurship Excellence. How to build an autopilot organization. I welcome you all to this journey because I call it the journey towards building. It's a journey, it's not a destination, it's a continuous journey, and during this journey there can be some great ups and downs, there can be some real good things, real bad things happening, and you got to resurrect yourself and resurrect the team, and you have to come out of this situation in a big way. Whether it is the natural calamities that may be there, that may hit you, or unnatural calamities, or the COVID-19s, or this, or there could be other floods and earthquake and other calamities in life, or maybe we mismanaged the company in a manner that we should not have, and all these things will be corrected over an 18 months period. So I, Santosh Nair, Tiger Santosh Nair, the chairman of SMART, welcomes you to this wonderful journey जिसका नाम है the Mastery of Entrepreneurship Excellence Program. And I've already told you what all will be covered in this, and I'm sure that my colleagues in SMART will call on you and will explain to everything. But I definitely request you all from all over the world to come and join this wonderful journey the journey of building an autopilot, auto exponential, auto transforming organization, commonly called as the Mastery in Entrepreneurship Excellence Gurukul program. So me Gurukul में आप लोगों का स्वागत है. I welcome you all. All the best and thank you very much.